Hey everybody, welcome back to RV Chef Life. My name's Jonathan. Today we're going to be making something that I think that we all kind of like. And if you don't, I don't know if I trust you. We're going to be making pizza. Everything today will be homemade. That's homemade dough, homemade pizza sauce, which I've done in a previous video. I'll link it down below for you to watch. Try it, it's delicious. It's not many ingredients and ingredients that you can say and pronounce and know. Without further ado, sit back, hold tight, and let's get started.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, let's start this pizza dough. First thing you're going to do is get 1 cup of water. You're going to get it about 100 degrees, nothing hotter than that. If you do, it'd kill the yeast immediately. 1 cup of warm water. We're going to add 1 packet active dry yeast. Oh, I always make a mess with this part. Let me grab some scissors. Dump that in the water. To that mix, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. That yeast feeds off the sugar. You dump it in there. And I always get just a pinch, 1 little pinch of flour and put in there. And go ahead and mix it all up. We're going to set that to the side once it's blended up, mixed up. Give it about 5 minutes. When it's ready, you'll look at it and you'll see foam. It'll be foaming at the top, and that means it's ready. This is what it looks like. While we wait for your yeast to get all bubbly and frothy, which I can actually smell it now, you're going to get all your dry ingredients ready. In the bowl of your mixer or bowl that you're going to hand mix with, you're going to add 2 1/4 cups of flour. Generally, you'll want to use bread flour because it has a more protein content. However, I don't carry a bunch of different flours with me, so I normally use all-purpose. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright, here's your yeast mix. You'll see it's all foamy and frothy and bubbly. What we're going to do now is go ahead and throw that into your dry mix. What we're going to do is knead this for about 2 to 5 minutes. Whenever the dough gets dry, you'll see it starting to pull away from the bowl. If you're hand mixing, it's the same procedure. Really loud, I'm sorry. Alright, you'll see it in the video. It's already pulled away from the bowl. So on a pizza dough, we don't want to knead it for too long. So once it's pulled away, we're going to knead it for about another minute to minute and a half. And then you're just going to stop, walk away, and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. After we kneaded it, what you'll see with a clean hand or finger, you touch it and see how it sticks to it, but not much is left behind. That dough's perfect. It's ready to just rest. So go ahead and remove your dough hook. We're just going to move this to the side and let it rest. You're going to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're ready to go. While we're letting it rest, it's a perfect time to go ahead and preheat your oven. Get your oven as hot as it'll go. I believe mine is 450 on a convection oven. If you have a propane oven in your motorhome, I think you can go a little bit higher. And of course, if you're at home, I think you can go up to 600. All right, the dough has rested. The oven is preheated. The easiest way to get this in action is to have parchment paper. Just gonna roll out some, flip it upside down so it doesn't unroll on you. I'm gonna make 2 small pizzas, so this dough is the perfect amount. Scrape the dough from the bowl. Plop it right on the parchment paper. Set your bowl to the side and grab some flour. Grab some flour. You're gonna rub some on your hand. Just rub it on top of the dough so the dough doesn't stick to you. We're gonna roll this dough into itself like you're folding a book. In that dough you can see the oregano I used. Once you've rolled it into itself, Gonna keep the seam side down. Set it back on that parchment paper. You're gonna slide this to the side and you're gonna grab one more piece of parchment paper. That's the one that's actually gonna go in the oven. We're gonna sprinkle some flour on it. Get some more flour on your hands. Let me pull up my sleeves real quick. Grab your dough ball. I'll separate this in half, just equal parts. Just tear it apart. Go ahead and roll that back together. Same thing, seam side down. We're just gonna push it out. Pinch and pull, pinch and pull. It's not gonna be perfectly round because we're not a pizzeria, but it'll be close enough. Okay, have it about where we want it. Put it down on that parchment paper. You can stretch it while it's on the paper. Okay, we're gonna add tomato sauce that I'd made in a previous video that's still gonna be linked below. You don't wanna oversaturate your pizza with it, but you do wanna have a good little coating. Usually about 2 heaping tablespoons is plenty on a dough this size. Leave a little space for your crust, just spread it out. We're gonna add 1 small layer of mozzarella cheese. We have previously cooked Italian sausage and previously cooked ground beef. And then 1 more small layer of mozzarella. What you'll do is you'll grab this, pick it up, you're gonna throw it in the oven. Here's what that first pizza looks like. Yum. I'm gonna go ahead and slide the second pizza in. Let's go ahead and cut into this while it's still hot. You can hear that crust. Pull it apart. Yum. All right, let's go ahead and go for a taste test. It's gonna be really hot. Oh wait, we forgot fresh Parmesan. Hold on. Got it. Let's add fresh Parmesan. Oh, yum. Yep, it's time for a taste test. Wow. That taste test was a little too big. That is better pizza than you will get from any chain. You made it from home. You saw all the ingredients that went in it. If you like this recipe, please like and share and subscribe. Please share with other people too. Please comment below. I love to read them and love to respond to them. If you like this recipe and others, check some other ones I have out. Thanks for stopping by tonight. Enjoy your pizza, and we'll see you soon.